Welcome back to the UAV Understanding Drone course. Now, in this lecture, we will discuss how drones are used for various purposes and missions. The very first application of the drone is aerial photography. Drones are now being used to capture footage that would otherwise require expensive helicopters and cranes. Fast-paced action and sci-fi scenes are filmed by aerial drones, thus making cinematography easier. These autonomous flying devices are also used in real estate and sports photography. Furthermore, journalists are considering the use of drones for collecting footage and information in live broadcasts. Shipping and delivery. Major companies like Amazon, UPS, and DHL are in favor of drone delivery. Drones could save a lot of manpower and shift unnecessary road traffic to the sky. Besides, they can be used over small distances to deliver small packages, food, letters, medicines, beverages, etc. Drones have become an important tool in fighting the COVID-19 pandemic by helping them create more resilient supply chains and serving as a perfect device to deliver items from the oft-mentioned 6 feet away. Once regarded as a nuisance buzzing around our heads and cities, drones are now arguably a life-saving tool as the battle against COVID-19 rages on. Geographic mapping. For aerial mapping, drones are perfect. Repeatable, accurate flight makes a drone the ideal platform for near-ground mapping. The combination of today's high-resolution cameras and inexpensive flying devices enables mapping at levels of detail never before imagined. They are also used to create 3D maps and contribute to crowd-sourced mapping applications. Disaster management. Drones provide quick means after a natural or man-made disaster to gather information and navigate debris and rubble to look for injured victims. Its high-definition cameras, sensors, and radars give rescue teams access to a higher field of view, saving the need to spend resources on manned helicopters. Drones reduce the overall disaster response time by up to 44.46%. This time helps reduce the extent of a potential disaster. Precision agriculture. Farmers and agriculturists are always looking for cheap and effective methods to regularly monitor their crops. The infrared sensors in drones can be tuned to detect crop health, enabling farmers to react and improve crop conditions locally with inputs of fertilizer or insecticides. It also improves management and effectuates a better yield of the crops. Search and rescue. The presence of thermal sensors gives drone night vision and makes them a powerful tool for surveillance. Drones are able to discover the location of lost persons and unfortunate victims, especially in harsh conditions or challenging terrains. Weather forecast. Drones are being developed to monitor dangerous and unpredictable weather. Since they are cheap and unmanned, drones can be sent into hurricanes and tornadoes so that scientists and weather forecasters acquire new insights into their behavior and trajectory. Wildlife monitoring. Drones have served as a deterrent to poachers. They provide unprecedented protection to animals like elephants, rhinos, and big cats, a favorite target for poachers. With their thermal cameras and sensors, drones have the ability to operate during the night. This enables them to monitor and research wildlife without causing any disturbance and provides insights into their patterns, behavior, and habitat. Law enforcement. Drones are also used for maintaining the law. They help with the surveillance of large crowds and ensure public safety. They assist in monitoring criminal and illegal activities. In fact, fire investigations, smugglers of migrants, and illegal transportation of drugs via coastlines are monitored by the Border Patrol with the help of drones. As technology advances, drones will become more robust and advanced, accommodating longer flight times and heavier loads. The industry comes with immense opportunity for businesses, gradually becoming inevitable for them. It is therefore important for organizations to study the scope of drone technology in their area of business, build the required infrastructure, and test their services across it. So, here I conclude this lecture, and with this, we have completed our section 2. See you all in the next section on designing and controlling drones.